What's up, YouTube? Yeah, so apparently Loom was having some technical difficulties with the audio, and yeah, unfortunately, the audio wasn't recorded. So yeah, I'll just narrate. So basically, what happened here today is, we had a pretty similar setup as to last night, where we had a pretty solid breakout to the upside of the 4-hour 11 p.m. candle. And actually, for a while, I thought it was going to run up all the way to my target, just like yesterday. But this actually didn't go all the way up. This actually turned out to be a liquidity sweep. And because of that, when the initial breakout happened, I just went ahead and placed my stop to break even, or a little bit of small profit, just because it didn't, just because I knew that I anticipated that it would pull back, or in the event of a pullback, and so it did. And not only did it pull back, but as you'll see, it actually pulled all the way back, and actually it actually went pretty abruptly and very strong, and it had very strong downside momentum, as you'll see. So anyway, I only had about 2 trades today, and so this first trade was the long. Closed it off in about break even or small profit, and then as you'll see, it actually broke down to the downside, in which well, I'll let this play out, and I'll talk over once it gets to that point. So I'll check in with you guys in a bit. All right, so at this point, you can see that the trade failed to the upside, and turns out to be a failed breakout. So now at this point, price breaks through the 4-hour zone, and actually at this point, I'm thinking that maybe it was just a really deep pullback, since we still have the lower swing intact. So there's actually a formation of a morning star here. And I actually try to take a long position here as well. And then quickly I get rejected. And basically I see that there's a pretty significant wick that forms, meaning that the 4-hour zone basically reacted as a break-in retest. And then as soon as that wick appeared, and the minute that it flipped to the downside is when I immediately went short. And so you'll be able to see that like this next candle just broke down so fast, I didn't even get the chance to add to my position. It really just, it was just a very high velocity move. And so when that happened, I immediately placed my target to the 900 I needed to finish the combine. And then just basically waited. Didn't really have an opportunity to add to the position, nor was it needed. As it simply broke through the 4-hour zone to the downside there. So, yep, you guys will be able to see that there. And then aside from that, that pretty much wraps it up. That pretty much wraps up this this combine and really sets the stage for this coming Monday. So we'll take this weekend to regroup, to get refreshed, and then we're ready to go for Monday with the conservative mindset, and we'll take it from there. So we'll be looking to get a good set of wins. And also I'll add that this time zone has actually been pretty solid, right? The past 2 days, the price movement has been pretty fluid. Pretty a lot of follow through in each direction. I mean, except for today, right? I mean, there was a failed breakout, but I was prepared for it, right? So I was prepared for it. I knew exactly what I was looking for, and I was able to react properly, and we get the win. So that's pretty much it. And hopefully everybody has a good weekend, and I will check with you guys on Monday on the charts. All right, peace.